Well, talking about the Rohingya crisis in the United Nations General Assembly, Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has condemned all forms of terror and violent extremism. Now, Hasina has added that Bangladesh maintains zero tolerance and calls on the United Nations and the international community to take immediate and effective measures for a permanent solution to the Rohingya crisis. Now, she said that the Rohingya refugees must be able to return to their homeland with respect and dignity.
We are horrified to see that the Myanmar authorities are laying landmines along their stretch of the border to prevent the Rohingya from returning to Myanmar. These people must be able to return to their homeland in safety, security, and dignity. At the same time, I condemn all kinds of terrorism and violent extremism too.